side effect of the COVID-19 vaccine. And, like, here's the thing.
Yeah, he's LeBron James Jr.
Is he LeBron James Jr.?
Yeah, he's LeBron James Jr.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Why do you stop? There's traffic coming from the left lane. They won't be able to turn. Oh, look. We could have made... I could have made the... And you're going to run it anyways. Or... Hey! Oh! E! Freaking Penske truck. They rent those things to anybody.
You know what? It's either not going to teach it at all, or we're going to literally whitewash it.
Oh!
Yeah.
You know, or
Why
we're going to, like, recast...
Right in front of a car that's turning in front of you.
You know, a guy as good as Judge, and Judge is that good. Even when Judge is doing what Judge does, he's going to need some help.
Yeah, stop looking at me and go.
multiple causes of myocarditis. So, it seems
and they're not
to
even
me,
saying it's myocarditis.
But I'm streeing, but I'm streeing, and I can't go yet. I gotta wait for this guy to pass.
That Gramps quoted often included a command from God to show my people their transgression. And as with the rest of the Bible, my grandfather...
Wait, you can make a left turn from there. Wait, that was red light run. No left turn. That sign is right there, and it says that. Yeah. Everyone's screwing up.
Its rules or its judgments. There might be an overabundance of regulations governing life.
There's no left turn from there. Another no left turn. I don't know if you can see the sign, but or actually, no, you're going straight. You can't do that either. And oh, look, a right turn regret. I don't know if that got on camera because I had it pivoted over my attempt to not hit. Videos are weird.
But the Rojas as a format, I think, is very familiar to him.
But I'm streeing, but I'm streeing. No stop. Nissan drivers.
Escape from people trying to murder him through the tunnel.
Dude, every fucking place in fucking Chicago was Capone's old spot.
Yes.
Anything in Kansas
Nice cut
City. I was in Buffalo.
Nice exit dive.
While watching Bart.
I like this plan. Satan. It makes sense to me. You wouldn't go to Barbie. You get all happy.
Nice cut off.
You're all glowing. You're like. The announcement.
Really? You gotta cut me off?
The finances are too out of alignment. You can only do this if you're a large developer coming in, and then why would you do it? Because there's more profit to be made. In
Exit dive. Really? Why you gotta do that?
Often they are husband and wife. So some folks suggest that
no stop. And there was a car coming that way too.
That may
Here we go again. Have you detoured down a one-way street? Now you're going in the opposite direction of where we were going. Who plans these things? And now's a no stop too. BMW drivers.
No, you haven't heard about this?
No, not at all.
Really?
That's probably because I just made it up off the top of my dome.
They know for sure that restaurants are going to suffer. Hey guys, for sure.
Don't stop. Come on, it's raining out. Don't do this shit.
Creators online talking about versions and talking about the perfection.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red, red, red. You can go now too. Come on. Red light, run. Yeah, yeah. I sang the song. Happy now?
Who are designing AI chatbots, but with a biblical worldview. Because you know what? They're
left turn regrets. Left turn regrets. Left turn regrets.
In fact, one of the ideas of how to get to Mars without being 0G for 9 months is you accelerate at 1G.
Tim Bow.
Wait. That's a one-way street. Why would you... How did that happen? No, stop. What a great example that you set for the rest of us.
And it's a pass interference, and it's against the Cowboys under the lights. And he's still, and I think we won the game, too. We did win the game. We did win the game, and I will say this. That was, and I remember, I was at...
well, nice cutoff over there.
Somebody was at Gotham. I went into Gotham. I went into the green room. And right away, you shut down. You're like, well, now I don't... Wow, right, does everyone think I'm like Tony Soprano? Right, like now my instincts are wrong as a... This dude...
Really?
And R.I.P. He was
really?
an actor himself. His son is a big actor.
No, stop. And you kind of rolled it there. Yeah, no one on that side stopping. Everybody sucks.
On Haiti. And Damien referred to one of the rescues in Haiti involving a little boy who disappeared.
Really? You couldn't by any chance pick him up inside that big parking lot there? You know? Say I had to stop in the middle of the street? Ah, wheelie! Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie! Don't stop! Don't stop!
It's a crime. It's a crime against art.
No, stop.
Anyway.
Red wine. I think that went really well, don't you?
Red light run. Red light run. Red, 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 red light run.
They were all, it was constant orgies.
Who else?
No, stop.
Card.
First day, just go to this exclusive web address to try Zip for free. ZipRecruiter.com.
Red light run. Red light run. Red, 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 red. What? Why are you going? You got a red hand. You're going in the wrong direction. Still gonna keep climbing hills. Red light run, red light run, red, 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 red light run. Screwbaroo. No trailers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's for real this time, because this is a construction zone. There's signs everywhere that say no trailers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's for real this time. You just moved over, so you're okay, I guess. But you weren't before. Oh well, sucks to be you here in the video. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!